So today we're at Edgewater Sports Park, and I'm still trying to figure out this, but it's bike week and they're racing nothing but motorcycles. So pretty cool to check out. I've never been here for just motorcycles.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, there's a lot of really fast bikes here. And now I want food.
We haven't ate. I ate a cheese stick for breakfast. And it's what? It's 8:30?
Yeah.
What time is it? 8:10. And you haven't ate. You ate breakfast.
Yeah.
Oh, I hit that. Sorry. How is it?
It's alright.
Everything you wanted?
Yeah.
Wow. All of that cheese
Why are you laughing?
Why are you laughing at me?
Kind of looks smoky in Cincinnati.
It was a turtle.
Yeah. He's got a long way to go. Damn, it looks like it ran off in the ditch. Tore his step boards off and dented the shit out of the side of his Jeep. Should've went. You ready?
Well, Jesus.
Did you go?
Aren't you guys just so cool? Just
What?
so fast.
Nothing sounds worse than a V6.
I could think of a few things that sound worse.
A raspy Honda Civic. A Ford Focus ST.
My mind was thinking other things. But yeah, those two. What is that? I think that's an Ioniq.
A Hyundai?
Yeah.
Oh.
I was right. You see that?
Yeah, those things sound terrible too. Look at that intersection lane change.
Yep, that's illegal.
Whoop whoop.
Whoop, whoop. I actually wouldn't mind getting a steak dinner. We've had chicken every night.
Right.
Are we in the same lane as that car?
I think that car's in the same lane as us. They're supposed to be farther over. That Kia has no clue where they're going. I don't know. I think we're turning here.
Oh my god.
That Kia is following us.
What was that? Are we taking this exit?
No, we're like heading towards like Mark's house now.
I need to be a dick. Good night. See, there's not really a place for me to do this comfortably. So would you race your bike? California. Oh god, I put it in.
Holy shit.
It was in neutral. And then it went into second. It said N. You don't believe me?
I believe you.
The fucking GoPro got it.
Yeah.
It said N.
I wish I had you on this GoPro.
California.
Holy shit.
Put it in. It was in neutral.
I wish I had you on this GoPro.
I honestly just want a beer. That's what I want. I want an ice cold beer. Chips and salsa. Oh.
Hello. For the both of us?
Did you already sign the waiver?
Not yet.
Yeah, total. It's $45.
Oh.
$45 each.
Oh, damn.
Right.
Yeah, I bet.
Do you? Is it cash only or?
Is it on the
Do you
other
have
side
any-
of you?
See a machine over there if you need it.
Okay.
No, it's right here.
It's on this side.
Oh, you're fine. Sorry for the hold up. $45. Are you sure that's not the whole weekend? They're making bank.
Yeah, they are.
Do you know, and well, I'm sure you'll know some people here.